Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys two of the items you'll need for layering. Yes, one of them is in VIP, but if you don't have it, it's totally fine. You don't really need it. So the first one, you'll need to go in one of these changing rooms. There is one outside of VIP as well. Press E and it is this dress. If you don't have it or you have not purchased it, you'll need to go here, select this like icon here, select the third one, and you're just going to scroll down until you see the summer ruffle dress and skirt. I use the skirt a lot to layer. I use this one and this one to layer a lot of outfits. So if I just go into one of the changing rooms, you'll see if I open up this Elsa one, as you can see, I used that like this dress and the like layering thing here. I don't know if I did that for the Maleficent one, but if you wanted to, you could. So I didn't do it, but here I'm just going to press E and I'm going to layer this on. So let me just make it like a skirt. And then I'm going to color the first color black, and then this color, this purple, and then black. And then on top of that, oh, actually, I think I did green for it instead of like purple to create like, because she has like this green kind of like vibe to it as well. So you could do that. You can like make that black or purple or green. Up to you. But that's basically what I use for layering, just to make my outfit pop a little more. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I have trouble speaking sometimes. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I did it on this outfit too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.